In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Webflow CMS collection. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow user or just getting started, having a structured content management system can greatly enhance your ability to manage and display content on your site. Let's dive in and make this process smooth and straightforward. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Webflow project. This is where all the magic happens. If you haven't done so already, log into your Webflow account and select the project you're working on. It's important to start here because each project can have its unique settings and collections. And we want to make sure we're building this precisely where you need it to be. Once you're inside your project dashboard, keep an eye out for the plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements and features within your project. When you click on it, a menu will appear showing various options that you can add to your project. This is an essential step, so take your time to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it will be a frequent point of interaction as you build out your Webflow site. Next, from the menu, select the option for the collection list. The collection list is crucial because it acts as a repository for all your content items. Think of it like a structured database for your website content. By setting this up, you're essentially creating a blueprint for the different types of content you'll manage, like blog posts, portfolios, products, or any custom content type that suits your project needs. Now that your collection list is in place, locate the settings icon. Clicking this will allow you to tweak various settings for your collection. Here, you'll define collection fields and structure how your data should be organized. This part lets you customize the fields you need, such as text, images, links, or any other data type you find necessary. Think carefully about what data you'll be storing, as this sets the stage for how easy or complicated future updates might be. Finally, with your fields and structure laid out, you complete the setup of your Webflow CMS collection. It's a rewarding step as it marks the completion of your basic CMS setup. This setup enables Webflow to dynamically populate your content across your site, making content management really efficient. You can now start adding items to your collection, and these items will automatically integrate with the design structures you build. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a powerful Webflow CMS collection. Remember that the more you experiment with collections and CMS features, the more adept you'll become at crafting dynamic, content-rich websites. Don't hesitate to explore further and get creative with your designs. Happy building!